Well, this is part 3. You'll notice here I've got the flooring down here and got everything taken out of the bathroom. And here's where we are in the bathroom. So you take a piece and cut it down to make you a threshold, or with a hammer and all is. I kind of tack it on each end so it don't move with a small brown tack. And this is vinyl. It's not wood. It goes together and leaves no seams. It says that it's waterproof, and it probably is. I'm going to seal it around the commode and caulk around. I'm just caulking around it because I like caulking better than I do cord around. Keeps the bugs and stuff out. But there's if you ran across this video, there's 2 more, part 1 and part 2. This is part 3. Thanks for watching my videos. If you got any questions about anything like this, just ask them. I don't care to answer them. And please like the videos and hit subscribe. Subscribe doesn't cost you anything. It's just a way to make it more interesting for me to do these videos. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Thanks.